This is my 2015 Honda Civic Si sedan, and it is about to get that big box installed. This is an Invidia N1. So in the box, you have your mid-pipe, exhaust tip. You get these with your bolts, everything, and a silencer. I don't know if we're going to be using a lot of this, but alright. So starting out, we need to remove the wheel, so we have to jack the car up, remove the wheel so we can have access on this side, and start unbolting. You can start to see I previously put some WD-40 on these because I don't know how hard they're going to be to get, because this is my daily driver and that gets really hot. We're going to have to take these 3 bolts out. This bar right here is going to be removed, so that'll free up that end from the mid pipe. There's a hanger right there, and then there are 2 more bolts right there, and that's why we need to take the wheel out. I'm off. We can see there's a hanger right here. There's another one way back there. See, right here. And we have 2 bolts. One here, one on the back, and another hanger right here. So I'm gonna start with the bolts, see if I can get those out, and then I'm gonna try and pry these 3 hangers for the rear part. I also previously put some lubricant in here. Just, I don't know how hard this is gonna be. So let's see. It seems to be moving, so fingers crossed. There it goes. One side off. Let's see if I can get this one to work. There they are. 2 bolts. Now we have 2 hangers from the back side. This, I think this is connected to the mid pipe. Yep, it is. See, it's already coming apart. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. That was fast. So this one is from the mid pipe. I'll try to pry that a little later. So this one is connected to the actual muffler tip, and so is that one. Now you can see it back there. So let's see if I can, I don't know if I can get these off. So after fighting, not much with this one, but that one, the rear one, you are definitely gonna need some lubricant for these to come off, because they give off quite a fight. But there it is. All we have is like this big ass hole. So now, mid pipe. Oh boy. Like I said before, there's a hanger right there. I just took that out. There's another one back there. I'm gonna leave that one there. Now, the 3 bolts that are out front. We need to uninstall this bar right there, and then there's gonna be 3 bolts up there. These are just two, I think they're 12 millimeter bolts. Yep, 2 12 millimeter bolts right there. I'll leave these here just in case. Put that to the side, and now rid of these. So after we undid all these, I took out one of the hangers in the middle just so it had a little more wiggle room on it. So let's see if it's enough. Yes, it was. Oh. Yep, so the heat shield took a little damage from the breaker bar. So, original versus Invidia. And obviously, we're missing the tip. So, that's how it looks. Bar is on, mid pipe, and now the last part of the puzzle piece. That fit in there real nicely. And the stock location, up to this point, everything has been bolt on. So, let's finish with the last part. There it is. It's officially on there. Completely bolt on. Nothing that I modified at all. It's there. This hanger from factory, there is a hanger right here. It is also much larger. This is a little smaller. But then there's no hanger right here. There's no support from the exhaust to the factory hanger. But yeah, everything came out very nicely. Nothing is fouling or protruding worse or more than the original. 30. All right, guys, there it is. I cleaned it out a little bit. Came like that from the back, but apparently this is a titanium tip. There it is. So it's definitely a lot louder. So this is at very low RPMs, about 1500 RPMs, and it is significantly louder in here. So the kit comes with a silencer. I'll be trying it on later. Because it definitely is pretty loud.